Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert the BTC to USDT on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Now select it. Then here you can find the convert option. Now simply open it. Then tap onto the from option right here and add the BTC just like this, and then tap on it. After tapping on it, now tap onto the to option and add the USDT, and then tap on it. After tapping on it, now you need to add the numbers. Now tap onto here and add the number just like this, and now you can see the BTC has been converted to the USDT. And that's it. This is how you can convert the BTC to USDT on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.